Now we know what you're thinking. What's going to make your Friday afternoon practically perfect in every way? Would it be a spoonful of sugar, or a bottomless bag of adventure, or even a supercalifragilisticexpialidocious star-studded cast? Well, luckily we've got all of those things here for you now in a fantastical Channel 4 first play of Mary Poppins Returns.
Electrifying performance. Channel 4 Film, sponsored by Genesis.